Alright guys, George from GD Sports Cards here doing a box for Hockeykhan, another box, second box for him. Contenders Hockey, good luck. Where's that? Oh, you're off to a good start, man. No autos. First hit. Scott Lofton. Flyers. Rookie ticket. 2. What do you need, 2? Oh, no. Second auto. No, it's not auto. Good. 600 Billings. Chad Billings. That was an auto. $4.99. Mikko Koivu. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mike, what's up, Mike? Johan Bustafsson for the Wild. $193. $4.99. Alex Pietrangelo. Next hit. Nope, number 200, Nate Schmidt. What's up, Ant? Let's see you hopping here, man. We got a 4-way auto with some Sharks. Good luck. Patrick Marleau, Joe Thorin, Dan Boyle, and Marty Havlat. Quad Sharks auto. Patrick Marleau up on top. Sharks. $4.99 Alexander Steen. And the last stick pack. Good luck, man. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Contenders matchups. Number 2/199. Good luck. We got the Ducks, and Ducks. Emerson Etem, Victor Foss, Raquel, and Frederick Anderson. What up, Adam? What's going on, man? Emerson Etem, Victor Foss, Frederick Anderson, and Raquel. Ducks, $1.99. There you go, Hockey. Appreciate it again, man.